Hey guys, it's Hugh here from Web Dimensions, and I want to tell you about an amazing opportunity that you have right now to get a fully functional lifetime license for Easy Sketch Pro 3.0, which is an amazingly easy video animation software. You're looking at the product of the software right now. All you have to do to get your fully functional download and lifetime license is to opt into our exclusive VIP member area. Once inside, you'll find a lot of other opportunities and your download link and your lifetime license key for Easy Sketch Pro 3.0. This software is so easy and so much fun to use. You can create engaging videos for any purpose. You can do product review videos, social meme videos, VSLs, explainer videos, really anything you can think of, you can make it into a video in a fun way. For example, you can create marketing videos for e-com products, local or global SEO, affiliate marketing, and of course, video sales letters which sell your products and convert your visitors to buyers. Literally any kind of marketing videos is snap to make with Easy Sketch Pro. All you have to do is click one of the items on the toolbar to add it to the canvas. And you can add text elements or images, and the software has a ginormous image library to choose from as well as music selection. Or you can upload your own content like I did here. You can add your own images, music, or video clips. You can choose the hand type you want to draw your video. Choose by size, color, and genders, or draw without a hand. Your options are draw by hand, draw invisibly, fade in, drag across the screen by hand, or drag it with no hand. You can apply any of these styles to any object on the screen or just take the defaults. I absolutely love Easy Sketch Pro 3.0. I'll be making a lot of easy, simple, fun videos, but most importantly, I'll be making videos that convert, because we all know that at the end of the day, it's money that makes the world go round, right? To join our exclusive membership now, free, and get your 100% fully functional license and download for Easy Sketch Pro 3.0, go to aaa-1.com/free software. That's aaa-1.com/free software. Join with me now and get your free software. This is Hugh from Web Dimensions, and I'll see you on the inside.